Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L, limited in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, active lane management system, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6587A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.